Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle in this additional. Not in today's newspaper, no, it's the yesterday's newspaper of Saturday. Yes, it's weekend Saturday, February the 11th, 2023. It's actually today's Sunday, and on Sunday we don't receive any newspaper. So we have an additional, and I've already solved two puzzles in this additional, the 3-star Sudoku and the 4-star Sudoku, and we have two puzzles left, the tectonic with 4 stars and the binary. Yes, it's binary time, and this will be number 5951. Yeah, 5951. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 13 printed digits. Easy? No, I don't think so. We will see if this is an easy one. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Then we need to think now. We need to think. Well, we have here 3 ones. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. They should be no. Oh, double 1 here. Here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Well, between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Yeah. We have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this second row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Oh, 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 3 O's we have here. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Yeah, now 3 O's, 3 ones we have here in this column, second column. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in this row. No, 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Alright. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Then 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Well, I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, and the fourth one. So that box should be an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Here we have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Need to compare now. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Question is, do we need to compare the rows or the columns? Let me check here. No. Double one. Oh, no. So this column I cannot use. 010. Do we have 01? No. So it should be the rows. 0110. Here we have a 1. No, it's not the same. 1001. Here we have a 1. Okay. Aha, 01. So this row and that row. 1. Empty box, 1. Need to switch those two digits. We have 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Finished in 6 minutes. Yeah, I thought it was a hard one because we only have 13 printed digits. Well, only one time comparing. And we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, so we do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of today, a tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.